everyone, my name is Maeven Eller-Five and I work at Mystic Elements, and we're outside a Mystic store today. And I want to share with you about a product I make. I make a product called Lucky Water, and this product is something I've been making since 2011. If you know me, I've been handing it out to anybody who asks for a long time. But we now carry it here at Mystic Elements. This is our 2-ounce size bottle. We also have a 4-ounce size bottle. It works really well to do several different magics for you. So one of the things it does is it clears doorways. So if you feel like you have something blocking your prosperity at home or at your office and stuff, there's some stones in there too to activate it. There's lots of good products in here. You want to spray your door. I'm going to liberally spray the door, and what that does is it helps open and draw prosperity to you. Let's look at some other ways it helps. All right, you may remember Tara. I videoed her quite a bit in this storyline. And so we're going to have a testimonial just now. So all these people use Lucky Water and they're going to talk about it.
Yes, so there was a day where I came to work and Maeven handed me a lovely bottle of Lucky Water, which I proceeded to drop right down the front of my dress. The lid was off. Yeah, my mistake. But
she smelled good.
I did, and it went all over my little bag of crystals too. After that, I proceeded to book solid, like so quickly. I barely even had time to breathe in between appointments, but it will bring in some clients if you are a client-seeking person.
So I work in the food industry, so every morning when I do my rituals, after I'm done, I spray myself with this to protect myself from all the oogity boogies, or strong personalities you deal with in the service industry, the bar industry. So which it works for me a whole lot and makes me very grounded. And it also, when I forget to put cologne on, also smells fantastic.
It brings in really good tips.
It does bring in really good tips.
Oh, I didn't even think about that.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
So I also compare this with the stove she talked about earlier. Also bring a citrine with me, and I hold it in my pocket, and I've given to certain female co-workers who stuff it in their bra to hold close to their heart. Honestly, and it's a big of a difference. Like they realize, like once they do that, like their money is either doubled or that day.
But if you were to spray a dollar bill and then you were to give it to someone who would go to a place where they would get tips, I wonder if that energy would also bring in.
I think it would, because it's on there.
And it's gifting. Anytime you increase, anytime you gift something, you're just increasing the energy.
Right. That works really well.
See, I'm understanding.
And you spray it a lot. That's why we love it.
I do spray it a lot. I love it a lot.
Is we're gonna spray some tools. You have tools at your house, magical tools that you want to cleanse and make more sacred. Let's put that right there. This could be anything from your wands to your stones. Be careful with the ones that don't like water.
It's a rose quartz, so it does not mind getting wet.
No, it doesn't mind. So we're going to spray that so that it has more magical attunement and to cleanse it and take away any of the negativity. One of the other things that, I'm sorry, I'm blocking mine. One of the other things that you can do with this product is you can take the cap off and put a couple teaspoons or whatever you feel like doing into your bath, and it makes a lovely ritual bath. So it's another way you can use Lucky Water.
My favorite part
She's going to share with you
is the shake.
Yeah, the stones inside it.
Stones in there.
There are 3 stones: a citrine to draw money, an amethyst for love, because it also is a very good love spell. It really draws and attracts. Trust me, I would know.
Attracts.
It attracts. It does. There you are.
Perfect.
It has a citrine. Did we talk about citrine? Citrine for money, amethyst, and a peridot, which is also very good for drawing money and grounding. But they're all New Orleans stones, so that's why they're important. All right, everybody. So this is the 4 of us telling you have a good day and have blessings from all of us at Mystic Elements.
And enjoy the Lucky Water.